फोटो क्यों निकाल रहे भाई?
Initially scheduled at 10:30, then it was postponed to 5, then it was cancelled. But there is no proper response from Indigo or from the government authorities. They asked us to collect the luggage. The luggage they kept it in like a junk. So it's very difficult for us to find the luggage. Now I paid a huge cost to traveling to Bangalore to attend my in-laws funeral. And one thing I observed is government or this DGA is they're not at all taking any action. It's a very pathetic situation. It's a chaos in the airport.
Sir, due to delay and
Due to cancellation.
You're
Yeah, phasing here means there is no proper communication. Still now I didn't get any cancellation message. If I ask them whether my ticket will be refunded or it's not there. Inside also there is no proper food. So they gave some snacks. It's good for me, but many people were having kids and elderly people. They doesn't have any support from Indigo or from the authorities.
Sir, any demand from airport authority?
No. Do you see if people are asking some question, they are sending the border reserve people. They are coming and they're trying to suppress the people. They are not asking anything towards the Indigo people. So they're trying to suppress the people. They are not giving any.
So you are waiting for your flights.
Yeah.
By what time you are waiting here? And
So
when you are waiting?
I was landed here early morning 2 o'clock. Still now 2 o'clock. Still now, yeah.
You are waiting for
Still
the
now,
next flight?
no. I booked the flight to SpiceJet by paying 35,000 from here to Bangalore.
Yes.
So by
And still you are waiting?
so my flight is early morning 2 o'clock. So the funeral is waiting for me in my hometown.
And my flight was at 6. Now they're saying it is at 10. But when I ask these people, they say all Indigo flights are cancelled. I'm quite surprised as to why even in the website and even in this, they're still, and even on the display board, they're showing the revised time as 10 p.m. But I think it's a joke, they're just fooling the people here by putting, and when I ask them, they have no answer, absolutely no answer. And when I ask, when is that information true, they're saying we don't know. So how can they be so careless? And Indigo was one of the best airlines. Today, I think it is one of the, least preferred airline. And I would suggest nobody to travel in Indigo because this is something ridiculous. At least they should be fair and transparent in what message they are meaning about the information. They can't be just putting some information there and then when we come and ask here, can we go inside? They're denying for us to go inside. So, meaning, now, where do we go, and I'm okay, I'm at least alone. But people with kids, it's really frustrating and, at least I would say that Indigo has to come out with with all open fairness and tell people that yes, flights are cancelled and this is the issue. Nobody, even if you go to the counter, They're just saying we don't know.
Nobody.
Nobody is telling any damn thing. And this is actually a serious, and this is the first time I think, such mass cancellations are happening. And as we speak, we don't even know why it is getting cancelled.
Sir, from last 2 days, passengers are facing many problems due to cancellation.
Yes, I came from Bangalore. That flight was cancelled from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Then I had to take Akasa Air. Then yesterday I travelled from Hyderabad to Mumbai. I took Air India. And yesterday you should have seen in Hyderabad airport, full chaos. Everyone was saying down, down Indigo. Indigo. That was the message yesterday they had given in the airport. And today at least the people here are much more sober, there's no such chaos happening here. People are just walking off. But absolutely this is not acceptable.
Frequently, I'm frequent traveler for Indigo. Every week, Monday, I used to come to Mumbai, and every week on Wednesday evening, I go back to Ahmedabad. So when I came to airport, I found that while Digi Yatra check-in, it is showing that flight is getting cancelled, whereas I have not received any message from the airlines. When I went to the counter, I found there is a huge line which is there. After crossing this line, I got a message from them that they are telling that all flights are cancelled for next 4 days, which has really shocked me. And the reason they are telling is that the government has rescheduled the timing of the crew members. Because of that, all flights are getting delayed because they are not getting enough time to cover the flights. That's why they have taken a call to cancel all the flights for next 4 days.
Sir, what are the passengers facing due to cancellation?
Everyone is facing problem. Like some people are having connecting flights to other country. Some people are having some urgent work also. So they came from the other country and then planning to visit their hometown. But there is a panic situation here. Yeah.
Sir, do you want some demand or something to say to the airport authority?
See, I don't feel that there are a lot of people who are struggling here, and there is no arrangement. There is no alternative arrangement. What I have checked from Mumbai to Ahmedabad, the alternative flights from Air India is showing 32,000, whereas the average cost of flight is 4,000 rupees. So the other flight companies are also encashing this situation, which is really a matter of concern.
मैं कुवैत से आ रहा था, 3 तारीख का फ्लाइट था, 4 तारीख मुंबई पहुंचा. उधर पहुंचने के बाद उन्होंने बोला कि फ्लाइट मिस कैंसिल है. तो फ्लाइट कैंसिल है, मेरा तीनों बोर्डिंग पास दे दिया उधर से, कुवैत से तीनों बोर्डिंग पास दे दिया. तो मेरे को इधर बोला कैंसिल है, कोई रास्ता नहीं दिया, कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं दिया. उसके बाद मैं मजबूरन मेरे को बाहर निकलना पड़ा. बाहर निकल के मैं दोस्त के पास जाके उधर रहा. अभी उधर से आया, इधर बोलता है 4 दिन तक फ्लाइट कैंसिल है. जी जी,
यहाँ पे भी आके आप फंस गए.
जी, उधर से क्यों बोर्डिंग पास दिया? मेरा सवाल यही है कि अगर कैंसिल होना तो मेरे को उधर से क्यों बोर्डिंग पास दिया तीनों? अगर दिया तो दूसरा फ्लाइट से कुछ कुछ सोल्यूशन देना चाहिए. अभी कोई कुछ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देता है इधर. देखो आया, अभी कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दे रहा है कोई बात को. एक नंबर दिया है, कस्टमर केयर का नंबर दिया है, बोलता है उसमें फोन करो. उसमें तो फोन खाल से मार रहा है, एजेंट भी मार रहा है, नहीं जा रहा है. तो अभी मैं क्या करे? अभी वो दोस्त के पास ही रह रहा हूँ बस. अभी उधर भी 3.5 घंटा लेट किया फ्लाइट कुवैत.
एयरपोर्ट की ओर से क्या जवाब मिल रहा है आपको?
अभी एयरपोर्ट का उधर से जवाब दे रहा है कि 1 मिनट रुको, 2 मिनट रुको, मैं सोल्यूशन बताता है. लेकिन कल से तो रुका हुआ है, नंबर दिया उसमें भी. अभी सोल्यूशन कुछ नहीं है, अभी कुछ नहीं. मैं बोला रिफंड कर दो, वो भी नहीं कर रहा है. अभी बीच रास्ते में किधर जाओ? अगर ऐसा होता, आपको तो मालूम है, आपको तो सिस्टम पे.
टिकट आपने कितना?
मैं तो 23 में किया है. 23,000 में किया है. जी
टिकट आपने ली
जी.
है और 2 दिन से आप कंटिन्यू यहाँ पर वेट.
जी, 2 दिन से कंटिन्यू इधर.
कोई फ्लाइट्स नहीं है,
कोई कुछ नहीं दे रहा था, मतलब
नहीं जाने.
ऐसे ही. अभी बीच रास्ते में अटक दिया. अगर पहले पता होता तो उधर से बोर्डिंग पास नहीं देना चाहिए था, तो मैं रूम पे चला जाता. अभी किधर जाए, क्या करे, पता नहीं चल रहा है. अभी कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं दे रहा है उधर. इन लोग इतना रिक्वेस्ट किया कि मेरा रिफंड कर दो, मैं ट्रेन से जाए या तो बस से जाए, किसी भी तरह चले जाए, घर जाना ही है. बीच रास्ते में अटक दिया. अभी मालूम नहीं क्या करेगा क्या नहीं, कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं दे रहा है.